Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect Stripe webhooks to n8n, full guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the developers section in the left sidebar. Click on Webhooks. Select the Add Endpoint button in the upper right corner. In the endpoint URL field, you'll enter your n8n webhook URL. To find your n8n webhook URL, log into your n8n instance. Create a new workflow or open an existing one. Add a new node and select the webhook node from the options. Set the HTTP method to the desired action, typically post. Save the workflow to generate the webhook URL. Copy the URL displayed in the webhook node settings. Return to your Stripe dashboard. Paste your n8n webhook URL into the endpoint URL field. Next, choose the events you want Stripe to send to n8n. For a complete setup, select relevant events like payment_intent.succeeded or invoice.payment_failed. Click on Add Endpoint to save your configuration. Afterward, you will see your new webhook listed in the Stripe webhooks section. Now, it's important to verify the connection from Stripe to n8n. You can do this by using the Send Test Webhook feature in Stripe. Choose an event type you want to test and click on Send Test Webhook. Head back to your n8n instance and activate the workflow. Check the n8n execution log to see if the test webhook was received successfully. If you see an entry for the received webhook, your setup is complete. In case of any issues, verify both the URL and the events you've selected in Stripe. Make adjustments and retest as needed until you ensure a smooth connection. Once everything is working, you can start using the data in n8n to build your automatic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.